first start out with a pair of old jeans. You can get any old pair at like a vintage store for pretty cheap. Just old high-waisted mom jeans. Measure them to your measurements. Make sure when you're marking these that you mark the pen mark equally on each side so that when you're cutting they are even. Usually when I cut, it may be a little shorter in the front and longer in the back, and that's okay. It's never going to be completely even, and with cut off jeans, like, that's the look. So once you cut them, and this is definitely the hardest part, especially getting through the inseam right there, it's really tough. So you just want to do little cuts, tiny cuts to get through, and also you can tear with your hands even a little bit. Then you want to do, just be careful. Then you want to get some regular bleach, any kind of cleaning bleach. It doesn't really have to be anything fancy. You can get it like any Rite Aid convenience store. So you want to spray the bottom part of the jeans a lot with the bleach. Really soak that in the bleach. And then just do little light sprays as you get higher up, because you want it to sort of fade in from white into the jean part so it gets that ombre look. So think of it as like an ombre hair, like light into dark. So spray at the bottom, then go up. Just for time constraint, I actually just took a pair that I already made, because you do have to leave it overnight for the bleach to set. So this is what it looks like in the end. And then you take a razor, definitely get a new razor, just any cheap disposable razor, but get a new one because you want it to be sharp, and you're going to use it to make that distressed look and that frayed look on the bottom. So put the razor over the end of the jeans so they become frayed, and then use the scissors to make it like distressed on the pocket lines, that distressed look and that frayed look. Just do however you like. You can also do little cuts to that torn look in the jeans. You can kind of just get creative. So time to get creative. Do hot glue any type of gems, jewels, anything you want on the shorts, or just leave them as is. And there you have it. Some nice ombre shorts. Really cheap, easy to make, and cute for summer.